Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Virgo Sun Moon Venus Rising from 22nd till the 28th of December 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Virgo, the overall energy for the connection right now. Let's see what we have. The overall energy for the connection right now. We have the Six of Swords, Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Cups. Virgo, you are telling me the same story, like all like new day, old story kind of a thing. You guys are trying to move forward towards calmer water, trying to start or trying to initiate something, and trying to make it very stable, but it is on and off, in and out, it's there, it's not there. Sometimes you guys are very happy, sometimes you guys are not able to figure out what's going on. You guys are trying to make peace with something with a lot of maturity and groundedness, and you guys are giving, like you guys gave thousand uh, what we call that, thousand chances to something or someone so that it can become normal, it can become stable, but it is still on and off, in and out, it is still unstable, and it has become a game of your life, addictive like a game, but at the same time not so happy anymore, not so, like, it's not draining you like that it's killing you or something, but it's definitely taking the happiness out of you, a lot out of you. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Cups. You guys are stuck on this situation, or you guys are investing in this situation because of the beautiful past you guys shared with each other, because of the history. Either this is a person that you guys have a history with, like very strong history, or this can be a new connection that's on and off, in and out, but you guys feel very strong past life connection, or you guys feel like you know this person from a very long time. That's why you guys are not able to let it go. So this is the like overall energy for this connection right now. Hmm. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Virgo. Two of Cups. Okay, this person feels the bond. This person definitely feel the bond and feel the connection. What is happening? Let's clarify this. Two of Cups. There is emotional connection here. We have Seven of Pentacles, Four of Swords, Two of Pentacles. Yeah, this person is feeling like even if there is a emotional connection here, is there is a lot of things that are not going well. They feel like just waiting and watching and hoping for some kind of clarity, for some kind of stability in this bond. This is very unstable. Maybe you guys, like one of you, have somebody else also that they're dealing with. That's why things are on and off, in and out, and unstable. But this person feels like there's a need of space, there's a need of healing, and there's a need of stabilizing the situation because it's highly unstable. So even if there is love, this person is feeling like waiting and watching and hoping for the healing to be done in the situation so that you guys can come to the same page and make a final decision or final choice in this direction. Okay, let's see. What do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? What do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Page of Cups. From your side, you feel the love here, you feel the bond here, but things are from your side. You feel kind of emotions all over the place, not very mature and grounded kind of emotions. Sometimes they are over the top, and sometimes you don't feel shit about the situation. Okay, there are emotions from both the sides, but what's the problem then? Let's clarify the Page of Cups. The unstable energies is the biggest problem here. The on and off, in and out, cold and hot behavior. Let's see. We have the Six of Cups, Nine of Cups, and the Lovers. Right, you guys have a solid history together. Even if you guys don't know each other from 6 years, it feels like you guys know each other from a very very long time, and you feel very happy whenever you think about this bond, this connection. You feel like all you have to do is make the right choice, right decision in this direction, and everything is going to be sorted. But you are not able to do that. Okay, you guys are stuck on each other because of the emotion. Emotionally both of you are feeling connected to each other, and you guys are kind of stuck on each other, not able to let go of each other no matter how hard you guys are trying. It's from both the sides, especially from your side, Virgo. You are more connected to this person, this energy. Okay, and you feel like but at some point of time you guys have to make a choice or decision in this direction, but not right now. You feel like you will at some point of time. I don't know what kind of decision or choice you guys have to make. The Lovers, Two of Pentacles, it seems like other people, other energies are also involved. Now, the other people, other energies can be romantic, can be family, can be caste, can be religion, can be other factors. Okay, can be anything. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Virgo? Knight of Swords. Okay. Their intention here is to come towards you. They want to charge towards you. They just want to fight with you. They want to argue with you so that you guys can clear the air with each other. This person wants to, pick up a fight or something. Not like they want to hurt you or something. They just want to clear the air with you. But it's not happening in a gentle way. So that's why they want to come towards you in a little bit of harsh way. Like this is supposed to happen right now. I want to talk to you right now only, like in this manner. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords here. We have Ten of Wands, Seven of Wands, Temperance. This person is losing their mind. They got no chills. They want to drop this situation, drop this heavy and burdensome energy of feeling the love, feeling the connection, and they want to protect themselves from getting used, abused, or from being dragged into a situation where all they are getting is shit in return. And then they want to very very patiently move on towards a better life, towards a better person, better situation, better connection, if it is not meant to be between you and them. That is why this person wants to deal with you right now only, so that they can move forward. Right now they are feeling like they're trapped in a situation where no matter how hard they're trying to get the clarity, to get the answers, they're not able to do that. They are emotionally stuck, energetically stuck. Okay, and once they are going to get the final answer, once they are going to have that argument, that fight, that clarity kind of a deal with you, they will be able to move towards a peaceful life with or without you. That's what they want. Okay, let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo. The Hierophant. So from your side you just want to be connected to your spiritual side. There might be a father figure or somebody, or mentor, or a guru, or someone, a literal father maybe for some of you, who is trying to help you to figure out what you should do and what you should not do. For some of you, you want to listen to them, and or you want to stand up for your belief, your cultural background, or your spiritual energies. You're like, this is what it is, and this is how it is going to be. Let's clarify the Hierophant. Maybe cultural background, religion differences is the main issue here. Okay, let's clarify the Hierophant here from your side, Virgo. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Empress, the Seven of Swords. Yeah, you want this collaboration or partnership according to the belief system that you hold, the belief system that the traditional values that you hold, and you don't want to lie to anybody, okay, about this. You want to have growth and expansion and happiness or marriage or a child or some kind of long term partnership or committed relationship only with those, that people, that person with whom you are going to share the same belief system, same cultural background, same spiritual intensity or what. And you don't want to lie to anyone just for the sake of being with them. This is your intention. I don't know what you're doing about it. The collaboration, partnership, the coming together, coming back together should be according to your belief system and cultural background and everything. Okay. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the what we have till the 28th of December 2025. Ten of Cups. Okay. There is going to be help around you. There is going to be people around you. Maybe people who are like family to you or literal family. There are going to be energies around you that's going to make you feel content and happy from inside. Let's clarify the Ten of Cups here. There's help along the way for you guys. We have the Ace of Swords, Five of Swords, and the Nine of Pentacles. You are going to be so stressed out when it comes to a particular dynamics, when it comes to the future direction of a particular dynamics. You guys are going to be like, okay, fuck this shit. I'm going to think about it later on. Let me spend my time with good people, good vibes, good energies, and let me enjoy my freedom, my and let me focus on my freedom, my independence, my money, job, career, and whatnot. You guys are continuously avoiding a situation that because it's stressing the hell out of you. So you guys are not able to understand what you should do in that direction, although you know it very, very clearly from inside that this is what you should do, but you are avoiding doing that because it's so stressful. So you are going to be like, okay, let me spend the last week of this year with those people who really matters to me, who really loves me, and let me just enjoy my independence and freedom for the time being. I'll think about it, but later on, not right now. So you guys are continuously in this energy. Either you or both of you are right now ignoring making any kind of final choice or decision in this direction, or in fact the talk that is important for you guys, and you guys are going to be like, okay, let's independently live our lives with our own people and we'll think about it later on, not important right now. Yeah, sure. Let's see the guidance for you guys here. We have the Hierophant, the Five of Cups, and the Four of Cups. You know, if you know, at least one of you is very much connected to their belief system, cultural background, religion, whatever you call it, or spiritual level. If one of you is very, very sure that they want something that is going to match exactly with their belief system, their cultural background, or religious background, or spiritual one, why the hell they are keeping things so complicated? When one of you know, then at the end of the day all you guys are going to get is hurt and pain. So what's the use of wasting your time, effort, and energy into something where you know you are going to get disappointment at the as the end result, or you are going to disappoint somebody for the rest of their life? The sooner the better, Virgo. If you are the one who is making like who is delaying or avoiding the choice or the decision, then the blame is on you. And if somebody else is doing that with you, you should make sure that they are doing it because of a very valid reason. And you, if you know the reason, let them go right now. Don't waste your precious life on something that you know is not going to work out no matter how hard you are going to try. Then It's easier said than done. I know, then done. I know it very, very well, Virgo. I don't care you call me a bitch or you call me a witch or whatever the fuck. I don't give a flying fuck. But trust me, the more you are going to waste your time, effort, and energy into something where you are not, where you know you are not going to get shit in return, the more the blame is going to be on you. You are ruining your own life. Whether it's like your choice to stick to this belief system or religious or cultural background or theirs. If you know it, you are doing it. You are doing the injustice with yourself. No one else is to blame here, right? If you are waiting for somebody to change and pluck the stars for you and bring it for you on earth, that's never happening. Trust me. Especially if this game is going on from more than 6 months. It's time for you to say goodbye and never look back. Choose yourself. This is not good. Even if there's love, see, I have seen a lot of people. I myself have gone through this situation where I was madly in love with a person, but because of whatever reason, we were not able to match up. We were not able to connect on that level, like the level of marriage or commitment. So I had to go through hell, and I went through hell, but I let it go. Sometimes we have to make the uh, strongest choices, even if it hurts, because that's the only way to get out of something. Hmm? Let it hurt. You will be okay with time. Nobody dies without anyone. It's just a myth. It's just a stupid poetic thing that people write. Yeah, I'm not saying poets are stupid. I'm saying these are just poetic things. Poets, singers, lyricists, I love them. Anyway, so let me answer one of your questions related to this department of your life. It might or might not also resonate. I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to answer. If it is not enough for you, you can mm, pause and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. We have the answer as this is the sign. If you're looking for a sign to do or not to do something in this particular direction, this is the sign. So you might have given the sign a yes or no, like if I'm going to get the sign, I'm going to do something, then do it. If your intention was, if I'm going to get the sign, I'm not going to proceed further, then this is the sign. Okay, this is the answer for you guys. I don't have to read from the guidebook for the same. I learned it now. I am know it now. So yeah. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.